What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're doing an overnight trip to the Trona Pinnacles. We've never been there. It looks amazing, so this will be our first time. Should be a lot of fun. Another thing I wanted to touch bases on too is I know on the last video I said I'd get footage of the Arizona trip. Unfortunately, we had too much fun. We got caught up in the minute. I didn't get no footage, but it was a blast. So is what it is. But shout out to Albert, happy birthday, and let's go. Okay, we made it to the Trona trailhead. Couple little things here to check out. So we got about 5 miles down this dirt road. I know you can't really see it, but they're off over there. I can see them off camera. So let's go. Check this out. Here's a quick little view of the abandoned train out here. So this road does get a little rough. It's a little rutted, but it's definitely accessible. Okay, so we're almost at the spot. Kind of see them off over there in the distance. This is a 5 mile dirt road. It is definitely two-wheel vehicle accessible. Pretty much any vehicle, but if it's raining, don't attempt it. So they do have vaulted toilets, and they're actually pretty clean, and they're stocked with toilet paper, FYI. So we're just doing a little circling around, sightseeing, and then we're gonna find us a camp spot for the night. Found our spot for the night. Found like a little hidden bowl, kind of out away from everybody. Although we only seen a couple people out here, but we came in from this little trail right here. Kind of got this whole little upper area to ourselves. Check this out, though. Pretty beautiful. Very golden. Got a little fire pit over there. Let's go. Not a bad setup for the night. Got some good views. Check out those views, guys. Got the dry lake bed off over there. Sure gonna see some stars tonight. The wind does suck, but that's okay. We'll deal with it. Look at these views, though. You can't beat that. Look at that. Whole desert to ourselves. So I don't know who needs to hear this, but don't do this. For one, don't bring firewood with nails in it to the middle of the desert. And then two, if you're going to take the time to put them in a damn pile, just take them with you. You stupid or something? Okay, so we thought we found a private spot. There's this road behind us, back over there. It's one way in, one way out. People keep coming in, taking pictures, stopping, rolling through camp. So me and Caitlin piled up a bunch of rocks on the trail. Hopefully that keeps them out. Go home. It's our spot. So when I say I blocked the trail, I didn't block it from access from anyone like coming into the whole park. It's just there's one private camping spot up here, right? Dispersed camping means dispersed. So like there's thousands of spots. It's a wide open desert. Go find your own spot. So me and Caitlin decided we would take these rocks on the trail to the one campsite that we found, and hopefully people will stop coming up and bugging us. You know what I mean? There's only room for one up here, but there's like thousands of spots around this whole damn park. Go find one of those. Go home. Views, pretty epic. There's one camper way out there. It's the only person I really see camping here tonight. Check this out, y'all. Trona Pinnacles. Got our kind of own little private spot. There's Caitlin down there. There's the little private road we blocked off. Good luck, everybody else. Caitlin reading a book. Nerd alert. It's dinner time. We're gonna have chicken and steak and rice, teriyaki bowls, cauliflower rice. Keep it healthy. I just gotta chop up the meat. It's pre-marinated. Throw it on the grill, and we're good to go. All right, got my meat all chopped. Put this on for about 25 minutes. Once that's cooked, I'm gonna throw in the cauliflower rice. You got yourself some bowls. Okay, meat's going. Looking good. Almost time to throw the rice in. Looking delish. You're almost done. Chicken and beef teriyaki bowls. Good morning. It's time for coffee. First things first. So it's a little cold this morning. We slept pretty good, except the wind kind of sucked. Kind of went off all night. We got woken up a few times, but other than that, it's pretty good. That's hot. No bueno. So we brought stuff to make breakfast, but a little cafe sounds a lot better and easier. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna have some coffee, pack up this tent, and go get some breakfast. Good old French press. Oh, we are overflowing. So there's a little sign-in book. We actually seen this guy come through last night. He left some stickers, some little hydration packs. We're gonna have to go check them out when we get home. Alrighty, so we just got done eating at the Barn Roadhouse Cafe. It's pretty delicious off of $3.95. Check it out. Also, last night, the owner of this company kind of rolled through our camp, and then in the sign-in box, he left a bunch of these little hydration packs and stickers, and so we just gave one a try. They're absolutely delicious. Go check them out. And last night, sitting around the fire, Caitlin found us a knife, a little freebie. Anyways, we're gonna end the video here. See you next time.